Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. Okay, so maybe it does something with the magnets. No. It's kind of creepy. It's not doing anything now. Let's see. Do you squeeze it? Do you do this? Do you jiggle this around? Shake it? No. Let me switch it off and on again. I don't know if maybe that does it. So let's switch it off, switch it on. Switch it off, switch it on. I don't feel any switches. That's the thing. I don't feel any switches at all. There's nothing in the ears, the nose. Oh, there it goes. Maybe it's right here. The heart? Is it the heart? No, I don't know. Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to just take it apart and we're going to see what we can do. We're going to turn it into a puppet. So let's turn this off here, and we're going to go with taking the pouch apart on the bottom. Okay, so there is a little spot for a seam ripper. I'm going to take it down here and get a thread and get that seam started. There's at least one there. Hold on a second. I can make it work. It's gonna work. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I need some scissors. What do you think? Scissors work? All right, there's another America's thrift store deal there. Scissors right here on the little thread. I don't want to cut the cord coming out of there. So maybe I will use the seam ripper. There we go. Okay, it's working. Because they wrapped the threads around the cord. There it is. And it's stitched over here. Oh, this is going to be interesting. It's tied to a loop on the plastic deal there. And I'm trying to angle this so I don't actually stab myself. Let's see here. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now we've got that loose. Now I just have to apparently pull on the material there, and the seams will just pop loose, just like so. And I found in the past that this is the best way to get into these little guys, because once you pop the seams on the back and keep it from going any further, you can actually reach inside, is what I'm going to end up doing, and removing all of the apparatus from the inside through that opening in the back here. And it has a nice cloth cover there. So let's see here.